Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new iPhone 16 Pro Max, the ultimate smartphone experience that's packed with cutting-edge features, powerful performance, and stunning design. Stick around to find out everything you need to know about Apple's latest game-changer. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship, offers notable enhancements over its predecessor. It features a larger 6.9-inch OLED display, providing an immersive viewing experience. The device is powered by the A17 Pro Chip, delivering improved performance and efficiency. A standout addition is the new camera control button, allowing quick access to camera functions, though its placement may require some adjustment. The camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. Battery life has been significantly improved, with the device lasting up to 16 hours on a single charge, and it supports faster, MagSafe charging. However, the anticipated Apple Intelligence features are not yet available, which may affect the overall experience. Priced at $1,199, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a premium device that offers substantial upgrades, though some users may find the lack of immediate AI features a drawback. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.